Today we have this 2024 Nissan Sentra SV. For 2024, Nissan has not really changed anything about the vehicle except this front grille. It's a little bit wider. All the safety features like emergency braking, blind spot detection, backup camera, all that is standard. The vehicle is powered through 2.0 4-cylinder engine and CVT transmission. Puts out about 149 horses. The color that you see here is electric blue. Looks really beautiful in the sun. 16-inch alloy wheels. Let's check out the passenger here. 6'1". Stretch my legs. Check out the space in the back. Pretty good. Got only one USB-A port back there. Total MSRP as tested is $23,260. Spare tire. The seats are 60-40 split. You have your keyless entry. On the SV model, you do get manual seat adjustments. You can get automatic seats if you get the premium package. You get automatic seats and leather. All your standard controls here as well. The intelligent cruise control, so you can set your distance here. Let's take her for a drive and see how it feels. Steering feels responsive. This does feel more like an Altima than a Sentra, and they do look very similar. Obviously Altima is a little bit bigger. Feels pretty good over the bumps. The base model starts at about 20,000, and then you would lose your intelligent cruise control, alloy wheels, obviously no keyless entry. You still got push button start, but no keyless entry. Feels good on the corners. Pretty good acceleration. I do like the way they designed these vents, and you can twist them and turn them to close them or open them. Very sporty looking. Blind spot detector, and this one is on the side here, it's not on the mirror.